Welcome to English Practice Everyday. In this video, we will learn the meanings of these 6 phrasal verbs with the word key. We will practice each phrasal verb with simple sentences. After our practice, we will read out loud a short story using all these phrasal verbs to understand them in their proper context. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. 1. Key in. Key in. Key in means to enter information or data into a computer or device. Key in means to enter information or data into a computer or device. Amy keyed in all the details for the report. Amy keyed in all the details for the report. The assistant keyed in the orders for the day. The assistant keyed in the orders for the day. I keyed in the password to log into my account. I keyed in the password to log into my account. Please key in your PIN to complete the transaction. Please key in your PIN to complete the transaction. 2. Key to. Key to. Key to means to be essential or crucial for something. Key to means to be essential or crucial for something. Hard work is key to success in any field. Hard work is key to success in any field. Regular exercise is key to staying healthy. Regular exercise is key to staying healthy. Consistency is key to building a good habit. Consistency is key to building a good habit. Good communication is key to a strong relationship. Good communication is key to a strong relationship. 3. Key up. Key up. Key up means to become excited, nervous, or overly alert. Key up means to become excited, nervous, or overly alert. The kids were keyed up about the school trip. The kids were keyed up about the school trip. Eve was keyed up with excitement for the concert. Eve was keyed up with excitement for the concert. Don't get too keyed up, everything will go smoothly. Don't get too keyed up, everything will go smoothly. I always get keyed up before an important presentation. I always get keyed up before an important presentation. 4. Key on. Key on. Key on means to focus or concentrate on something. Key on means to focus or concentrate on something. I'm trying to key on learning new skills this year. I'm trying to key on learning new skills this year. Joe keyed on finishing his project before the deadline. Joe keyed on finishing his project before the deadline. The manager keyed on improving customer satisfaction. The manager keyed on improving customer satisfaction. The team keyed on their defensive strategy during practice. The team keyed on their defensive strategy during practice. 5. Key in on. Key in on. Key in on means to give special attention to a particular detail or aspect. Key in on means to give special attention to a particular detail or aspect. The coach keyed in on improving the players' footwork. The coach keyed in on improving the players' footwork. We need to key in on areas where we can reduce costs. We need to key in on areas where we can reduce costs. The teacher keyed in on the students' grammar mistakes. The teacher keyed in on the students' grammar mistakes. The detective keyed in on a vital clue during the investigation. The detective keyed in on a vital clue during the investigation. 6. Key down. Key down. Key down means to relax, calm down, or reduce intensity. Key down means to relax, calm down, or reduce intensity. I need some time to key down before bed. I need some time to key down before bed. After the meeting, Mia keyed down with a cup of tea. After the meeting, Mia keyed down with a cup of tea. Listening to soft music helps Lisa key down after work. Listening to soft music helps Lisa key down after work. The yoga session helped Paul key down after a stressful day. The yoga session helped Paul key down after a stressful day. That's the end of our practice. Let's now read out loud a short story using all these phrasal verbs in a proper context. Title of the story: The Big Event. Anna was excited. She had been planning her company's annual charity event for weeks. Good organization, she believed, was key to its success. On the morning of the event, she keyed in the final guest list into her laptop. She double-checked every name to ensure nothing was missed. Everything seemed perfect, but Anna was keyed up. What if something went wrong? She took a deep breath and reminded herself to stay calm. Her focus was keyed on making the event enjoyable for everyone. She knew how important it was to pay attention to every detail. As the day went on, Anna noticed a problem with the seating arrangement. She quickly keyed in on the issue and adjusted the layout. Good communication is key to solving problems, she thought as she explained the changes to her team. They all worked together to fix it quickly. When the event began, the guests started arriving. Anna's excitement grew. She watched as the attendees mingled and enjoyed the atmosphere. Still, she had to remind herself to key down and not get overwhelmed by the energy of the crowd. She found a moment to step outside and take a deep breath before returning to oversee the event. Later, during the dinner, Anna gave a speech. She keyed on the importance of supporting the community and thanked everyone for their contributions. Her heartfelt words resonated with the audience. She could see the smiles and nods of agreement. The success of the evening proved that hard work and teamwork were key to achieving her goals. After the event ended, Anna stayed behind to help clean up. Her assistant asked, "Why do you always stay on, even after such a long day?" Anna smiled. "Because these events are key to making a difference, and I love seeing everything come together," she said. She added that her favorite part was seeing the joy on people's faces and knowing they were contributing to something meaningful. At home, Anna finally keyed down with a cup of tea. She reflected on the day and felt proud of how smoothly everything had gone. It had been challenging, but every effort was worth it. As she sat on her couch, she realized it was a night to remember, thanks to her dedication and the team's effort. She thought about how she could make next year's event even better and keyed in a few new ideas on her laptop before heading to bed. Anna's story shows that being keyed up can sometimes lead to great things as long as you know when to key down and focus on what truly matters. End of story. That's all for this phrasal verb session. Please keep practicing these phrasal verbs in your speech over the next few days to master them. Bye for now.